In the second part of the video, we are going to continue with the topic of the food and drinks, but only this time we're going to learn to turn a statement into a question. It's actually pretty easy. Let's go ahead and see how to do it. In Mandarin, the way to turn a statement into a question is to add the character ma at the end of a statement. Now, say again, I drink tea.
我喝茶。
And then turn that into a question. Do I drink tea?
我喝茶吗？
How do you ask, do you drink tea?
你喝茶吗？
Let's put them side by side now.
我喝茶吗？你喝茶吗？
Now say hello again.
你好。
When a waitress comes to you and greets you and then asks if you drink tea, how does she ask?
你好，你喝茶吗？
You answer yes. Listen and repeat after her.
是。
Say again, I drink tea.
我喝茶。
How do you say yes?
是。
Say it again.
是。
Now put them together and say, yes, I drink tea.
是。我喝茶。
Ask again, do you drink tea?
你喝茶吗？
How do you answer affirmatively?
是。我喝茶。
Here is red in Mandarin.
红。
How do you say red tea?
红茶。
And green in Mandarin is?
绿。
Then how do you say green tea?
绿茶。
How to say drink red tea?
喝红茶。
And drink green tea?
喝绿茶。
How do you ask someone, drink red tea?
喝红茶吗？
How about the question, drink green tea?
喝绿茶吗？
Now adding the pronoun, I say I drink red tea.
我喝红茶。
What about you drink red tea?
你喝红茶。
Now the question, do you drink red tea?
你喝红茶吗？
Do I drink green tea?
我喝绿茶吗？
Here's a new word, milk. Repeat after her.
奶。奶。奶。
Again, pay attention to the tones. Try to make it sound exactly like her. We like milk tea a lot. Can you guess how to say milk tea?
奶茶，奶茶。